to turn on Speedometer in Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn on or enable Speedometer in Google Maps. For that, open your Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Once you do so, some options will appear. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. And once you reach to this settings page, scroll down and find Navigation Settings and tap on it. You will reach to the Navigation Settings section here. Once you reach here, scroll down and under Driving Options, you will find Speedometer. You will also see the toggle button at the right of this option. By simply toggling this button, you will enable it. And now from now on, when you open your Google Maps while driving, you will see the speed of your driving on the Google Map. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.